You viral now in Indonesia right now. Okay? Sign my jersey,
Yeah.
please. I'm starstruck, sorry.
Where do you want it? Here?
With this one is okay. Sorry. This one is okay.
That's okay.
Justin,
Yes.
how about the news right now?
Oh, I'm good here, you know.
Okay.
I'm good in Fortuna, you know. So
Okay.
I'd rather stay in Europe first, you know.
Oh, okay. Justin, one more time.
Yes.
So many jersey I have. I'm sorry. I'm starstruck. I'm sorry, Justin. You remember this jersey? One more.
Oh,
Oh, thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you.
Yes, you're welcome. Man.
Thank you so much, Justin.
Gonna watch your game, man?
Yeah, I already buy the ticket. Thank you.
Enjoy watching the game, man.
Thank you.
How much is one ticket?
At Euro and at Euro, yes.